So what about the kacha house? So kacha house are made of mud and straw. Yes, have a look on the kacha house. These houses last for short period of time. Its walls and the floor is made of mud and its roof is made up of dry grass or dry leaves of some plants. Is it? So how is the construction? Only with the help of the mud and the straws. And the thing is that whenever any flood will come, on the time of flood, all the mud it will be melt, and as a result of it, this house no longer can sustain there. So that one is one kind of short period house. Is it? So it can't sustain for more time. And the thing is there, if we will see, the construction is not also very strong, because only with the help of mud and the straws and sometimes the another thing, that means the some plants, dry grass or the dry leaves, with the help of this its roof is made up. So as a result of it, that one is not strong enough even. So these things you have learned here. So what about the temporary house? Temporary house means which one is not permanent. Is it? Which one is not permanent? That one is called the temporary house. So the example is the bamboo house and the igloo. What about the bamboo house and the igloo? If you will see that in bamboo houses, walls are made up of the bamboos and the houses may have a mud floor. Its roof is made up of straw or the dry grass, just like the kacha house. Is it? Just like the kacha house, only the difference is there. For the case of kacha house, it is not using the bamboo. Here they are using the bamboo. But this kind of bamboo houses, they are not able to sustain for more time. So that one is the one kind of temporary house. What about the igloos? Igloos are dome-shaped houses made of ice slabs. Eskimos, the tribal people, live in igloos and snow has been covered throughout the year. The house made up of ice called igloo. See here how it is looking. This one is, that means it is being made of the ice or the snow, ice slabs and dome shaped. It is looking like the dome shaped. See here the construction of the bamboo house. It is looking very similar to the kacha house, but the thing is there, for the case of kacha house, the bamboo is not being used. Is it? So these are all about the temporary house, because they are not staying for throughout the year. And what about the mobile house? Mobile name, after listening the mobile, it is very convenient to you that to understand mobile means which one is not fixed. Is it? Which one is not fixed? Which one is shifting from one place to another place? Which one can be moved? The houses which can be moved from one place to another, such houses are called mobile house. Just like the mobile we are carrying from one place to another place, these houses are also able to move from one place to another place. So the caravan, the tents and the houseboats. Yes, these are very interesting things. So the caravan is a house on wheels. It can be pulled by a car. Many people can travel in this. So whenever you are traveling from one place to another place, on that time you are missing your house. So on that time, what is the way? If you will choose one caravan, on that time you can get the arrangement, whatever is there in your house. You can easily get these things. Not that much if you are residing in bungalow, that things you won't get. But the normal things just like the one kitchen, bedroom, these things, one washroom, these things you would get there. So one caravan is a very good thing for the travel. And the tent, what about the tents? So actually tents are made of clothes called canvas or nylon, and it can be fixed anywhere and it is easily shifted from one. Now we will discuss the sweet houses. Now the question is that the sweet house, a house where it should be sweet for all of us. A house should be a strong and safe place. Yes, that one is very safe place for all of us. Very safe place. And the thing is there should be proper sanitary conditions. It should be, otherwise different kind of diseases may come. Is it? And the next one, there should be good facility for drainage. Otherwise, if the drainage should not be there, whichever the household water we are using, where should it go? Is it? So the drainage system facility should be also very nice, and the good ventilations by having doors and windows. This allows fresh air. So the thing is there that the ventilation is a very important thing for all of us, because whenever we are staying inside the room, if sufficient amount of fresh air won't come, sufficient amount of light won't come on that time, we may face very problem also. So that's why we have to keep very big windows and the doors also for the ventilation. But the thing is also there, you have to keep in mind the safety. Yes, you are building, that means very big window without any guard. On that time the thieves can come. Is it? They can attack even. So that's why you have to keep in your mind the safety also. That one is also very important factor. Next one, there should be enough space for plants and trees. Yes, inside your home you should plant the trees so as the fresh air can come. Otherwise, we would go into the depression. Our mind won't fresh. Is it? Unless the fresh air come, unless the greenery we are seeing, our mind won't be fresh. And the thing is there, the good parking space and gardening should be there. If in your house the gardening is there, so different kind of flowers would be there, different kind of fruits may be there. So after seeing them, your mind will be very peaceful, is it? And the thing is there should be the parking place also. Otherwise nowadays without vehicle we can't think our daily life. So we need the vehicle. Where should we keep the vehicle? So for the vehicles we need the parking place also. We can't able to keep the vehicles in our bedroom, is it? So that's why we need the proper parking space also. And the last one, a house should get enough sunlight. Sunlight kills diseases causing germs. Yes, that one already I have told you that the huge amount of ventilation should be there, that the fresh air should come, the sunlight should come, because sunlight what it does, it kills the different germs, which germs are causing different kind of diseases. So this all about this entire lesson. So whatever may be the size of your house, it must be sweet, because all of we love our house. Is it? Our family members are residing along with us. So that one is a very peaceful place for all of us. Next, I would like to show you the full recall. That means the just at a glance I would like to tell you. So it's time to recall all the entire lesson. A house protects us from sun, rain, wind and animals. That means the enemies. And the different people live in different types of houses. You know that one. Next thing, the Pakka house are built of wood, brick, steel and cement. Kacha houses are made by mud and straws. Houseboats and caravans are mobile houses. They can move from one place to another place, and we can see houseboats on the lakes of Kashmir and the Kerala. And what about the tent and igloos? They are the temporary house. Yes, the people are not residing into those houses throughout the year. And a caravan is a house on wheels, which one can move from one place to another place. And igloo is built of blocks of hard snows. Yes, the igloo, that one is made up of the snows. Is it? So this all about the lesson, and already I have told you that how the different kind of houses are looking. See here, if you will see the Pakka house, these all are the picture of the different Pakka houses. And Pakka houses are being observed where? In the cities, in the town. And the Kacha house, if you will see, this one is the picture of the Kacha house. This one, these are all the temporary house. This one bamboo house. This one is the igloo. What about the mobile house? See here, one van-like structure is there. Is it not like a van? And inside the van, the house is there. And this one is the tent. Yes, this one is the tent, which one is also one kind of mobile house. And what about the boat house? See here, inside one boat, the house is there present. And this one is the tree house, very sweet. Is it? See here how the stairs are there. So these all about the different kind of houses